Good afternoon. Today I wanted to do an informational video. This one's a quick one on valve lash adjuster screws. Now in this case, this is a 312 Ford Y block 1956. These adjuster screws, obviously we have a problem here. These are supposed to be an interference fit into the rocker arm, but the fact that I can screw this in and out with my fingers tells me that it is no longer an interference fit. This motor, being 70 years old, it's been rebuilt many times. This one I have sleeved back to standard. It's giving it a new lease on life. So we have changed this to a lock nut style, which this is what we're using right here. It's got a 3/8 ball end, a 7/16 20 thread with a 1/2 inch 12-point nut, and then this one uses a 3/16 Allen. The part number for that, it's a PRW Power. There you go, if you feel like you want to use that. The height of it is not much different. I would say it's probably 1/4 inch taller, which means it's going to have plenty of room inside that valve cover. That's not a problem. So with this, you're going to be able to adjust it to where you need it to be easier, and then lock it down once you get it to the valve lash that is correct for it. So that's what I figured I would share. You can buy these. They're expensive if you can find them, or you can just buy a kit of these for all 16 for about $80, which is still expensive, but much better than the original. You're not going to have to worry about them galling up or coming out when they don't need to, because that was one of the things that happened with this. We had bent connecting rods because 4 of these adjusters were loose. So that's just my quick and easy fix for that problem. Hope that was of help for someone. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.